Well, for the past few years, I've been talking a lot about biohacking, which is a broad term for kind of how we can approach our biology by systems thinking and understand it better by measuring certain phenomenon and just taking all of the tools around us and making a plan like what are the 20% of the things that actually matter. And I think this is, of course, between all of the old tools from meditation and mindfulness practices all the way to stem cell therapies and all that. But it matters a lot because in this day and age we're so stressed out and kind of in this anxiety primitive mode of being, even though we have all the abundance and all the tools around us. Well, I think in the future, the term biohacking and just all around well-being becomes much more about like your behavior is the meme that you're communicating to the world, in a sense that now we are documenting all of our experiences and posting into the Instagrams and all that. But in the future, the biological data that we are producing, how we are living, will become kind of the way that we communicate with people. So it gets faster and faster. So in that sense, I think the importance of taking control over who we actually are and want to be becomes not so separated from our goals and all that, but our everyday life becomes kind of the framework of what we communicate to each other. Well, I think in the future, the importance of technology and kind of our inner well-being and our inner workings becomes more related to each other just by kind of the technological tools that we use. So in a sense, we will wear our cognitive ergonomy for each other by showing it in certain colors or whatnot. So I think it will be interesting to see in the future what type of tools we use to actually increase empathy, increase connectivity in much more novel ways, because right now we're in a struggle of getting this connection with each other by, communicating pretty crudely over the cybernets. But in the future, I think the biological data, the emotions, all of these nuances will be communicated to each other much more fastly and straightforwardly. So in a sense, I think it will become very interesting how well we actually take the care of our self-leadership skills and our biology.